Hey, what's going on? It's Brian with Captain Lockpick, and today we're going to be replacing a key for a 2013 Ford Escape. Now, all keys have been lost on this Ford Escape, so we're going to be starting from scratch. The first step we're going to do is we're going to grab our Lishi tool, we're going to pick the lock, and then I'm going to show you how to decode it. And then after that, we're going to cut up the keys. And then last but not least, we're going to program the keys to the computer of the car. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to grab my Lishi tool and get to picking. Alright, so what your Lishi tool is it going to be? Should be the HU101 right here. This is the HU101 high security Lishi tool. And then I'll grab some lubrication. Alright, let's get this door lock picked. Now, I always like to spray some lubrication in there to free up any stiff wafers and get it kind of cleaned out so we have a nice smooth pick. Make sure you pull your Lishi tool tabs back, insert it into the lock, make sure it's all the way in there. Alright, so I'm going to apply light tension. Check space 1, that is bouncy, it's not ready to be picked. We're looking for stiff wafers only. 2 is bouncy, not ready. Let's skip over to 5. 5 is bouncy, not ready. 6 is stiff, let's pick that one. Let's move on to 9. 10, not ready. Let's go to 3, not ready. 4, not ready. 7 feels stiff, we'll go ahead and pick that one. Check 8, 8 is stiff, we'll pick that one. I didn't quite pick it enough. There we go. Let's check the bottom again. 1 is bouncy, not ready. 2 is not quite ready either. 5. 6 is ready. Let's check 9. 10 is ready. I felt it turn a little bit there. Let's check 3. 3 is not ready. 4 is stiff, so that means it's ready to be picked. Good to go. Let's check 7, 8. Those ones are good. Check 1, 2, 5, excuse me. 6 is ready to be picked. And that was the last one. Polo, what are you doing? Hey, don't lick that. Okay. So my dog just peed right there. This dog right here was just licking that, so that's really gross. Alright, let's go through and decode this. 1 is a 4. 2 is a 5. 3 is a 5 as well. 4 is going to be a 3. 5 is a 1. Let me take this call real quick. Alright, back to decoding. Looks like we left off on 6. 6 is going to be a 1. Let's check 7. 7 is looking like a 3. 8 is looking like a 1. 9 is a 2. 10 is looking like a 5. I'm gonna put a 4 though, possibly. Alright, let's go get a test key cut up and see if we decoded this properly. Alright, so we're going to be using the X-Horse Mini Condor to cut this key. I'm going to take this jaw off. This is for edge cut keys, standard keys. Let's grab my high security jaw. We will do cut by bidding. HU101. Should be the Ford. Jaw A, we got that. Let's do 4, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 5. Let's go ahead and cut that key up and see if it works. Alright, so the key finished cutting. Let's go ahead and go test it out. Get my Lishi tool out of there. Turns one way. I don't know why it's not turning the other. It might not turn that way. Let's test in the ignition. Alarm's about to go off here. Does work in the ignition. Alright, so now that we got a key that works in the door, this is just a test key that I cut up. Now we're going to transfer those cuts over to a transponder key, and then we're going to go ahead and finish up by programming it. Alright, both sides have been cut. Let's go ahead and get both of these keys programmed. Alright, in order to program a key for this car, we need to deactivate the alarm. I am going to try to pull the door keypad code to see if we can deactivate it that way. Reading password. Fingers crossed. This procedure will take 10 minutes. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Alright, so I will get back with you guys as soon as this finishes. Alright, so it has finished. It looks like the code is 31591. Three, 1, 5, 9, 1. Sounded like it clicked. I think it's good. Function is now exiting. Okay, let's go ahead and try to program these keys again. Do IMMO status scan. Waiting for the scan to be done. It is completed. We'll go to add key. Go to start. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Alright, so it looks like it just finished. Learned keys 3. We'll hit OK. And that number has changed to 4. Learning successful. Do you want to learn the next key? We do. Yes. Insert the key to be learned. Turn the ignition on. OK. And current number of keys is 5. Learning successful. Do you want to learn the next key? No. Alright, so the procedure has completed. We have 2 programmed keys. Let's go ahead and start it up. That key works. Let's test this key out. That key works too. Let's go ahead and put the programmer away and call it a job. Alright, all in all, that job went pretty well. The Lishi tool picking went excellent. The decoding went excellent. We got it first try. Keys programmed as well. The one thing that we did have problems on, which I'm probably just going to cut out of the video, is I could not get the car to go into programming mode for the remote. I don't think it has anything to do with the remote. Well, I know it doesn't have anything to do with the remote because I couldn't even get it to enter programming mode. In addition to that, the lock on the door is not working. So this car is a repo. I'm not sure what the problem is, but I would say that there is something wrong with the actual car itself. It's nothing that I was doing wrong. So yeah, hopefully they can get that fixed. They do have a mechanic shop over here, this repo lot does, so I'm sure that they will get that fixed, and I will get that remote programmed at a later date. So thanks for watching my video on how to make a key for a 2013 Ford Escape.